If you're looking for an easy way to remove stains from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, today's product might be exactly what you need. Today we're taking a look at the BISSELL Little Green Mini portable carpet and upholstery cleaner with HydroRinse self-cleaning technology. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around the house or take out to your vehicle. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, coffee spills, mud stains, or everyday messes, this cleaner is designed to tackle tough spots quickly. The included Tough Stain tool helps lift stubborn dirt and grime from carpets, couches, stairs, and fabric seats. What really stands out is the HydroRinse self-cleaning system, which helps rinse the hose after use and keeps the machine cleaner between cleaning sessions. Pet owners will especially appreciate how effective this machine can be on pet stains and odors. Another great use case is automotive detailing. It works well on cloth seats, floor mats, and other fabric surfaces inside your vehicle. Unlike bulky full-size carpet cleaners, the Little Green Mini is easy to store. The separate clean and dirty water tanks make the cleaning process simple and convenient. Many users report that stains they thought were permanent disappeared. If you have kids, pets, or frequently deal with spills, this portable cleaner can quickly become one of the most useful cleaning tools in your home. For the latest pricing and availability, check out the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe.